Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the BISSELL SpotClean Pro. This portable machine is perfect for cleaning up spills on your carpets, deep cleaning your sofa, stairs or even your car seats. I'll start by filling up the water tank. The SpotClean Pro has an extra large water tank so you can clean a larger area with less trips to the sink. As you'll see, there are lines on the back of the tank to show you how much water and cleaning formula to use. I'm going to be cleaning quite a large area, so I'll fill it up to this line here and then I'll top it up with the cleaning formula. You get a sample of spot cleaning formula with your SpotClean Pro. But when that runs out, you can order more from BISSELL direct or from most other BISSELL stockists. Now we'll put the tank back onto the machine. Make sure it clicks into place. If you ever think your spot cleaner is leaking, it's probably because the water tank isn't in properly. Choose the attachment you want to use. The SpotClean Pro comes with two attachments, one for detailed cleaning and one for covering large areas. If you're cleaning up a small spill or something like the arm of a sofa, then it is best to use the smaller tool as you can be more precise. But if you're cleaning a large flat space like an area rug or the stairs, then the large tool will save you time. Pick the tool that you want to use and click it onto the end of the hose. Now we're ready to start cleaning. To use your SpotClean Pro, squeeze the trigger at the end of the hose to spray water and cleaning solution onto the area you want to clean. Then use the bristles to scrub the area and loosen the dirt. When you've scrubbed the area, release the trigger and tilt the cleaning tool forwards a little and then pull it back. You'll see the water coming up through the window of the front of the tool. Repeat this process until the water coming up looks clean. Then go over the area without squeezing the trigger to remove as much water as possible. When you finish cleaning, remove the dirty water tank and empty the water down the sink. Then give the tank a rinse and leave it to dry. Rinse out any attachments you've used as well and leave these to dry. Once everything is dry, you can put it all back together, ready for next time.